Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss if conditional in Python. The if conditionals of Python come in multiple forms: plain if conditional, if else conditional, if elif conditional. We will discuss one by one here. Plain if conditional statements. The if statement is used to test the particular condition. If the condition evaluates to true, then the body part of if will be executed. Otherwise, do nothing. Which means whatever you condition given to the if the condition become true, then the body part of the if will be executed. Look here, the syntax of if statement is shown below. If, and then right here the conditional expression, and this is the body part of the if. Look here, this is the pictorial format of the plain if conditional statement. Test expression: if the condition become true, then the body part of the if will be executed. If the condition become false, then do nothing. This is the example of the if conditional statement. Look here, this is the a variable of the Python, and given here the condition: if the value of a is greater than 10 and the condition become true, then the print the value of a. Otherwise, if the condition become false, then it do nothing. This is the if else conditional statement. In this form of if statement, test a condition, and if the condition evaluates to true, then body part of the if will be executed. Otherwise, the else part statement will be executed, which means I have given, or we have to given the condition if, and if the condition become true, then the body part of the if will be executed. Otherwise, control automatically go to the else part and execute the else part statement. This is the syntax. The syntax of the if else statement is shown below. If, and then conditional expression. This is the body part of the if, and this is the else part, and this is the body part of the else. Pictorial form of the if else conditional statement: test expression. Condition true, then the body of the if will be executed. Condition false, then the body of else will be executed. For example, look here, this is the a variable of the Python, and check the condition here. If the value of a is greater than 10 and condition become true, then print the body of if. If the condition become false, then print the body of else, which means control go to the else part and execute the else statement, body of the else. Now, if conditional statement. In this form of the if statement, you have multiple test conditions, means you have multiple choice. Whatever in the program you need multiple conditions to give the program, then you simply use the if else conditional statement. To serve such conditions, Python provides if elif and if elif else statement. We will discuss one by one. The syntax of the if elif statement is as shown below. Right here if, and then conditional expression. This is the body part of the if. This is the elif conditional expression. Right here the condition, and this is the body part of the elif. And this is the also elif and conditional expression, and this is body part of this elif. You can write numbers of the elif condition here, and control check one by one from starting if, then control come to elif, and then control come to elif. And if elif conditional statement, the syntax of if else elif else statement as shown below. If right here, and then conditional expression, and then body part if elif, and if conditional expression, this is the body part of elif, and then else, this is the body part of the else. You can write here the number of elif condition within the if and else if. Now I just going to take a simple example here. Simple example: of the if elif else statement as shown below here. If runs is a Python variable which stores the runs. If the value of runs greater than or equals to 100, then it will print the batsman scored a century. If the condition become false, control come to the elif and check the condition here. Runs greater than or equals to 50, print the value as a batsman scored a 50. If this condition also become false, then control come to the else part and print batsman has neither scored century nor 50. Now I'm going to explain with a practical example here. I'm going to open a Python file here. Okay, this is the Python file I have already created, and here I'm going to explain practical explanation of the if statement. If statement practical. I'm just going to take a variable a and assign the value as a 10. Right here the condition if a greater than 10, then print the value of a. Look here, this is the condition a greater than 10, and we stored the value as a 10 in a, so condition become false. It will print nothing. Run it. Look here, it print nothing. But if we simply assign the value as 11 and save it and run it, it will print the 11 because the condition become true. So the control come inside the body of the if and print the value of a. Print, and within the bracket e, this is the statement body part of the if. This is the example of if statement practical. Now I am going to explain the if else if statement. If else statement practical here. Just write here else colon and then write here print the value of a is less than 10. Okay, which means just I am going to change here equals to, means check the condition. If the value of a is greater than or equals to 10, then the condition become true and print the value of a. If the value of a is less than 10, then control come to the else part. It's automatically come to the else part and print the value of whatever you write information given inside the else part. So I'm just going to change the value of a as a 7. So the condition become false and the control automatically come to the else part and print this statement. The value of a is less than 10. Just run this. Look here, the value of a is less than 10. This is the example of if else. And now I am going to discuss about the if elif. Elif else statement practical here. Just change the variable name as a runs and assign the value as 100 and right here runs greater than or equals to 100. Print the message the batsman scored century. Alif, right here the condition runs greater than equals to 50. Copy this message and paste here. Right here 50. Okay, and then else print here the batsman neither scored century nor 50. Look here, I have assigned the 100 value to the runs variable. First condition becomes true, then it will print the batsman scored century. Run this program. Look here, the batsman scored century. Suppose that I'm going to assign the value as a 70. Then the first condition become false. Control come to the elif statement and check the condition here. Runs greater than equals to 50, which is the value. Runs value is 70, so condition become true. Then print the batsman scored 50. Just run this program. Okay, batsman scored 50. Now I am going to change the value as 40. The first and second both condition become false. So the control come to the else part and print this statement: the batsman neither scored century nor 50. Okay, the batsman neither scored century nor 50. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.